Have you been wondering what to do with all those little mini candy canes you have left over from the holidays? Well, all you need are a few extra items to turn them into special Valentine candy that you can give to your family and friends. All you will need is some parchment paper, leftover mini candy canes, of course, vanilla melting wafers or chocolate bark, and then the Valentine sprinkles of your choice. Start by laying out your candy canes on parchment paper so they make the shape of a heart. Next, it's time to melt your vanilla wafers or your chocolate bark. You can do this in a double boiler, but the easiest way is to microwave them in a microwave-safe container, placing them in at 50% power for 30 seconds, and then continue to heat in 15-second increments, stirring in between until the wafers are melted and smooth. Once the wafers are melted and smooth, you can spoon the mixture inside the candy cane hearts. If the mixture tries to push the candy canes apart, you can just push them back in place. Another way is to put the mixture inside a sandwich bag and pipe the mixture into the hearts. Once all the hearts are filled, you can sprinkle them with your favorite Valentine sprinkles. Since I love dark chocolate, I decided to put a little bit of chopped up dark chocolate on one of them. And then I thought I might try melting a little bit of dark chocolate and drizzling that over the top of another one. But you may decide to do this with some milk chocolate. Then I decided I wanted to put a few more sprinkles on top. The hearts need to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes in order for the vanilla mixture to firm up. But I found that the dark chocolate needed more time, so I decided to place the hearts in the freezer for about 15 minutes to make sure they were firm enough to plate. Once the hearts are solid, you can place them in decorative bags to give away. But if you don't have decorative bags, sandwich zip bags are a good option. You can even decorate the sandwich bags with stickers. I hope you have fun turning your leftover candy canes into tasty Valentine candies.